The walkway outside of the Chris Library became a gallery for public art on Tuesday, September 20th, as students from David Helm's Art in Public Places course displayed their works.
What I wanted to do was design an assignment where they had to think about what public language was and how public language worked in a specific space. And so I came up with an idea where they would work with ingredients, visual ingredients, that were pretty familiar to people, so that people would immediately understand what was going on, but they could still put together these ingredients to create something that operated as an artwork, which basically means it's open for interpretation.
We were given the assignment of taking a street sign shape and then using like graphic clips or clip art to kind of reinterpret the way people look at signs. So I chose the yield sign because I was really interested in the actual act of yielding, and when I reflected upon that, it reminded me of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict and how the act of yielding is literally what they're fighting over, is who's yielding the power and at what days and when. And then as far as their own yielding to stop and have discussions about resolving the conflict over in the Middle East. So that is why I chose the yield sign. This class is really awesome. It's fun. We've all been encouraged to see the public's perspective on our pieces, which is why we put them out on display and sat and observed to see if people would react in certain ways to our pieces.
It was a very, very thoughtful group of students. They understood exactly what the difference was between working in public space and private space. They were very excited about the public space and the kind of power they felt that they would have through making these pieces. I think getting it out and listening to the responses was very important for them, and I think it will dramatically change the types of things they do from here on out.